Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Supabase storage buckets for file uploads. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Supabase storage buckets for file uploads, start by logging into your Supabase dashboard. Select your project from the list of available projects. Once your project dashboard is open, locate the storage section in the left sidebar. Click on Storage to access your storage settings. In the storage interface, you will see an option to create a new bucket. Click on the New Bucket button to initiate the creation process. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new bucket. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose for easy identification. Next, decide whether you want the bucket to be public or private. A public bucket allows anyone to access the files, while a private bucket restricts access to authenticated users. Once you have made your selections, click the Create Bucket button to finalize the process. After the bucket is created, you will see it listed in the storage section. To enable file uploads, click on your newly created bucket. Within the bucket settings, find the Policies tab. Here, you will set up access policies to manage how files can be uploaded and accessed. Click on New Policy to start creating a new access rule. You will need to define the policy's role and permissions for file uploads. Specify if the policy should apply to all users or just authenticated users. Once you have defined the policy, click on Save to apply the changes. At this point, your storage bucket is configured for file uploads. You can now integrate the Supabase storage feature into your application. Utilize the Supabase client library to implement file upload functionality in your code. Make sure to handle file selection and upload logic within your application's user interface. Test the file upload feature to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Your Supabase storage buckets are now fully activated for file uploads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.